Hi friends, in this session I'm going to show you how to work with XML source files in Data Flow Task. So let's say we received a file like books.xml which has all books information like author, title, genre, price, publisher and description, whatever details that book has. And we have to load this file into a table now. So let's see how to work with kind of XML files in Data Flow Task SSIS. So this is a simple task. In real time, we will receive most complex or multiple parent-child hierarchical relation XML files, but this is a simple task that I am going to show you today. So in later session, I will be doing advanced task related to XML source, which has complex structure and how to deal with that. Now go ahead to our project package and drag data flow task. Now open data flow task and drag our source connection XML source. Now open XML source. Now browse our XML source now. Books.xml open. We must specify the XML source definition here. If we don't have or if you have inline schema, then you can choose. Otherwise, you can click generate. So it asks for you a location. I'm choosing the same location, books.xst. Save. Let's see what it's generated now. So right click and edit with Notepad++. It basically generates the elements that's under the parent node and the data type of the each name. Okay, it's how it's generated, and most of the times we receive this file from the source itself. So we directly link that. Otherwise, we need to generate in this way or using any online tools. Okay, now close it. Now go back to package. Now go to columns. Then it may show you warnings like data conversion, data 255, something like that. You can ignore for now. Click OK. Now you will see all the columns that we have under parent node elements. Now click OK. If you have multiple hierarchies structure in the XML, then you will see a drop down in the connection manager. We have to choose that table name so that it shows you elements. Now click OK. Now let's take any destination, either a SQL Server destination or a flat file or whatever you want. So I'm gonna take XML destination, sorry, Excel destination. Now take that and browse, new, browse. I'm choosing the same destination and then XML to Excel. Click open. Okay, whatever, new, and then take books. Now click OK. Invalid decimal data type, which is decimal, right? So let's remove this one. Now click OK. Books, mappings, all are mapped. Click OK. Now execute. So total 12 records loaded into our Excel destination. Stop it and go back to our destination and check XML to Excel. So data has been loaded, right? So this is how we can use data flow task XML source, or we can convert XML to any other destination like this, or we can load data into our destination. So it depends on our requirement. We will use this task like this, and this is a basic task only. We in real time we will see many complex scenarios. All the tasks that I've finished so far in my sessions are basic. It's not actually, it's only useful for practice purpose. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos related to real time environment complex tasks I will be doing in later sessions. Thanks a lot for watching my video.